Okay, we're over here at GoToMath.com. Click on the algebra. Let's go down to adding and subtracting, and we got one more problem left in this section. Wouldn't you know it? It is a mess. Oh my gosh. The last one looked like a mess, but it wasn't too bad. This one, I'm not so sure about all that. So we're writing this down right now. And I can see we don't have a common denominator. That stuff in parentheses. Ugh. Cx plus 19, and that's going to be making this problem terrible. 2x plus 29. It's a weird number. It's a number I don't see come up very often, 29. Alright, let me just check, make sure. I got x plus 17 over x plus 10, x plus 17, x plus 17, x plus 10, x plus 19, 12, 2x. Alright, just making sure I got everything going on there. At this point in the game, you should be able to work this problem out if you've been working all the previous problems. And the last section and this section here, I'm thinking you shouldn't have any problems here. Plus 17 over x plus 19 minus 12 over 2x plus 29. I'll make sure there's something here real quick. Yep, minus. Okay, so we'll want to do what's in parentheses first, and you notice that we don't have a common denominator, and that's terrible. We're going to call this some side work here. This is the side work section. Okay. So quickly here, we're going to do what's called, we're going to cross multiply. I'm going to multiply, instead of going through that whole thing, like I said, you should know what we're doing at this point. And then we have plus x plus 17 times x plus 10. Okay. And then that's all over. And you know something? I see something here real quick. And then we multiply these two together. X plus 10 times x plus 19. And I do see some. I hate to have to get on a sidetrack on this, but you notice we have an x plus 17 here and one here. And that means that we can factor out this x plus 17, and this will actually help us than having to multiply all this stuff together. And I'll show you that here in just a second. So we're going to be left with x plus 19 plus, and we pulled that out, so we're going to be left with x plus 10. See that? So you should know how to factor. I think we covered that already. Because there's an x plus 17 and an x plus 17, we just pulled it completely out. And this is what we're left with. And 19 plus 10 is 29, right? It's 29. So we end up with 2x plus 29. That's strange. Okay, and then we have x plus 17, right? And x plus 10, x plus, well, let's see, this 2 doesn't, let's see, 29, no, 2 doesn't go into 29, crud. That's all over x plus 10 times x plus 19. Oh, and you know something? Okay, so we've got a division here, Yeah, I would have been made a big mistake if I'd have multiplied this stuff out. So we've got a division. So with this part right here, we've already worked out. So we're going to go ahead and flip it, and then, yeah, let's see what's going on. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and write x plus 17 here over x plus 10 times, and this part right here, right, this is all the stuff that's in parentheses. We're going to go ahead and flip this, and so we're going to end up with x plus 10, x plus 19, that's all over x plus 17 times 2x plus 29. Okay? And then remember, we've got still out here minus 12 over 2x plus 29. Okay? We can cancel some stuff out here. We got an x plus 17, x plus 17, x plus 10, x plus 10. And as you can see here, now look at here, we got a common denominator. Right? And okay, well, this thing's working out finally. So I'm going to go ahead and rewrite all this. So we have x plus 19 over 2x plus 29 minus 12 over 2x plus 29. Well, we have common denominator. We can add the numerators. Minus 12 over 2x plus 29. And what do we got? We got 19. We got 19 minus 12. And that gives us a 7. So we got x plus 7 over 2x plus 29. What do you know? 7 minutes. Took us 7 minutes to do that problem. And let's see, x plus 7 over 2x plus 29. Well, there it is. Isn't that amazing? Okay, so we are finally done with this section for a while anyway. We're going to go to math.com, and I'll see you in the next section, which is actually, what is the next section? Complex fractions. Let's click on it, see what it is. Oh, okay. Looks pretty easy, I guess. Alright, see you in the next section. Bye.